Friday, December 12th, and I talked to the customers here today and gave them the update. What's the update here today?
Well, we got the seals and the bearings. I mean the braces and the seals this morning.
Okay.
So they're all good, but the seals are wrong.
Okay.
Didn't measure them properly.
Okay. So races and bearings were good.
Yeah. And then we cut this. There was a hole here.
Yeah, I remember.
So we cut it out square and made a new plate here.
Okay.
And then
Didn't cut in the bottom part for the access panel yet?
no. And we're just making one for there now.
Okay.
And
He's talking about there.
we got the valve grind stuff. And I've done one valve just to, I'll get a light. Just so you can see.
This was the problematic one.
See how nice the seat is now?
Yeah.
You got a light there?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
So are you going to take them all out or just the one?
One at a time.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't want to mix them up.
Okay.
Actually, we had good pressure all the way except that one, and this one was a little low.
Yeah.
And see what?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
We got our own out test.
Okay. We had to borrow a tool from somebody else yesterday.
So I got the carburetor for. So this.
Okay. Is that the one I ordered or is that the...
This is the mechanism that runs this.
Yeah.
I took this one off my spare motor for parts
Yeah.
because this spring is weak.
Okay.
So I'll drill this now and then put 2 bolts in there.
Okay. And old Charlie's been outside all day and it's like
There's a
minus
little one.
30.
The little one too.
Everybody's inside now. Hi, Charles. Okay, so yeah, these guys have been busy all day. It is freaking cold out, like minus 30 out there right now, guys. And it's like at that... What? Okay.
This is the new bearing.
This is for the Bombardier Muskeg tractor. Okay, thank God it fits, and that's the right one.
Race and seal's good. I mean, race and bearing is good, but
Yeah.
wrong seal.
Yeah, okay. So we just took back the other seals to the supplier here in town. I'm glad these were at least in. We're that much closer.
This is the old carburetor off of that one.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, these guys are working on this here and some repairs before the repairs in order to repair, and talked to the customers here today, and they were interested in what was going on, but had to remind them that you know, still need the down payment. Can't even literally order the bearings, races, and seals without their down payment because I don't have enough money on my Visa. But we got all loaded up on wood. This is what it takes to keep this place warm here. Anyways, their dad's giving some light instruction here. So we're only going to be working on this one here for another week, and then we're going to go to Edmonton. And it is Christmas week then, and so I've already booked off my time, and so we're going to try and do what we can in the next 7 days, but I don't foresee too much action here on being able to do what we can do, because Dad still has to strip out a bunch of stuff we got to clean in there. We got to varsel all that stuff in the bottom, because it's just, if something happens here, it's just going to catch on fire again. And it's taken me 3 days in the past to clean up everything in the bottom. And hi, Charles. Hi. And so we still got a lot of cleaning here to do, and then we're going to Varsol spray everything. Then we can start inserting everything back into place. So again, Dad was able to salvage this engine, and the guys were very relieved to find out that the engine was salvageable. But a lot of cleaning needs to be done back on this before we can do anything else. And so busy Friday day at the shop, guys, and that is it. Okay.
This plate that we put in.
Yeah.
You here? Well, that's where the battery was sitting on before.
Yeah. So that's what I was indicating earlier. The repairs before you can do the repairs. So that's pretty common for us to see here in the shop. The other one here, so having a really good look here, is that hole was punched out originally for access to change the oil, but we're going to cut that oil as well.
We'll square that hole a little bigger, and then we can, like once it's clean, we can drill it. I'll put a bolt and a nut in, or 4 bolts or 4 nuts. I'll weld the nuts, and then anybody can take the plate off from underneath. Can you shoot? You have to sit first, eh?
Yeah. Oh, I just love my grandpa, and I love my shop, and I love it just here so much. I'll go outside and I'll do a full yard patrol, but just love me in the meantime, Grandpa. Our Filipino Emily. Hey, baby. Oh, yes, my girl. Hi. Yeah, hi. Yes. Yeah, this is what